Hi beauties, it's me Evie and I am back with a Boxy Charm. This is the premium box for the month of November and it has some real goodies in it. I'm excited to get to it with you. Premium box does come out every month. It does have 6 full-size items and you will not be disappointed. So this is gifted from me from BoxyCharm. I love the PR Boxy. Thank you for thinking of me. And let's just jump in to the package. So the BoxyCharm theme this month is invite only. As I said in my base box, they're having a sale up to 80% off of retail prices. You should really, if you're thinking about joining BoxyCharm, now is the time. Your stocking stuffers or your cabinets for products for yourself or for others. So think about it and reach out. So we have a palette to start out with. It is from Persona. It is Identify 2 eyeshadow palette. Here's the packaging and here is the shades. Wow. Just wow. I already see one color that stands out. Look at this. It's like a blackie, but it has like a gold and it has the glitter. It's so pretty. Can't wait to do a black eye with that. Let's try this other glitter. Look at the gold. Oh my God, this shade is called Unique. That first shade I showed you was Limitless. Let's do Empowered. Oh my God. I have never actually tried Persona before. This is amazing quality. They're so buttery smooth. Nice. I can't wait to use this palette. Ready for a bolder persona? The Identity 2 palette provides the same buttery, buildable formula as the original Identity palette, with more stunning shimmers and epic payoff. Whatever persona you want to create, the Identity 2 is versatile enough for everyday looks, date night drama, and everything in between. Y'all, just take one more look at this. Oh, it is just beautiful. I cannot wait to try this. So this Persona palette retails for $42. Next thing we have is a Riddell blush drops. Okay, so I am not used to blush drops. I have had some, but after 1 or 2 uses, I got rid of them. I didn't care for it much, but I am down to try it. I specifically did not put on blush so I could try this. So this is the shade Sunset Kiss, and this retails for $50. It enhances the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. The concentrated drops provide a buildable, illuminating pop of color to the cheeks. So let's try this. I'll use this. I'll use a beauty blender. What language was that? A beauty blender. Ooh. So that's okay. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Oh man. Too much. Too much. And it looks more like a highlighter on me. Oh boy. Oh boy. Too much. So if you're as white as me, this is not going to work, clearly. I did put too much. I did not know that you could not actually put a drop. But if you have darker skin, this seems like it would be an easy, fast solution for a really great shimmery blush. This retails for $50. So this next product is very interesting to me because it is an eye drop. The Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now Anti-Puff Anti-Dark Circle Serum. Wake up and fight those dark circles with this serum. This is the Better Skin Co. Eye Bright Now. And I can smell from the bottle that it has quite a smell, which I don't know if that's good for your eyes to have such a strong scent, but it smells good. It smells very therapeutic. This retails for $38. And because my eyes are the only part of me showing age, I will be trying this. I'll be looking forward to trying this. The next thing we have is from Nudestix. It is a lemon acid detox and glow micro peel. The Lemonade Detox and Glow Micro Peel is a skin clarifying at-home chemical peel that detoxifies the pores of excess oil, dirt, and pollution while visibly rejuvenating skin tone and texture. And this retails for $34. Let's give it a sniff. So it's not too bad lemony smell. I think I could handle that. I could use a good face peel. It says it's a 3-in-1, a deep pore cleanser, skin exfoliant, and skin brightener. And it tells you apply a mask all over face, finger massage to peel for 2 minutes. And this retails for $34. The next product is from Riddle Oil. It's an original roll-on oil. Quote unquote, it's perfume, but a roll-on oil. So it comes in this cute little bottle. And let's roll it on. Oh, that's really, really lovely. Oh, that's really, oh my gosh. I love that smell. It's a little sweet, but not like vanilla or sugar sweet, but yet sweet. A little, it has a little bit of a like floral sweet smell. So this is made with simple ingredients of amber and musk. The original roll-on oil smells clean and subtle. The oils naturally create a signature scent that is unique to you. The original scent is excellent for people who don't generally like fragrance, suffer from fragrance-related headaches, and rest assured when you roll on your original fragrance, it is hyperallergenic, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free. I love it even more now. I'm so glad to have gotten that. I'm always looking for a good scent. So that brings us to our last product. It's Girlactik. And it is Rose Oil Petal Gloss. Well. Okay. Well, that, I like the vial look from it. It has like flower petals in it, I hope. Although it kind of looks like dead skin. Just honestly telling you. Okay. It is a nice thick oil. You know how when you have some oils that you put on your lips, it feels really sticky and heavy and like it's going to drain right off your lip? This is not. It's a nice, I almost want to say buttery feel to it. It says, fall in love with long-lasting wearing lip gloss that is infused with natural dried rose petals and a blend of Oregon oil, raspberry seed, moisture boosting, protective ingredients to nourish and repair your lips. It does smell like rose petals, and if you're not into that on your face, you're not going to be into this. But if you can get over the smell of roses going on your mouth, then you will love this, because I feel like it's attacking the dryness of my lips. And in wintertime, my lips get so dry. I like this. This I will use. That shine too. I bet that's going to be lovely on top of a lipstick. Or below a lipstick even. So that retails for $20. Some faves in this box, definitely. Not everything was perfect for me. Cough on, cough, cough. This stuff. But it was an awesome box. We've got some great products here that I'm really looking forward to trying, and I am glad you were here for me to share with you. I hope that you are doing good and you have enjoyed watching my silliness. Thank you, Boxy Charm, for the PR, and thank you guys for watching. Until next time, be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, and remember, keep smiling.